You feeling ball time?
You feeling the ball? Not me. You want to put it in here?
Can you get it in there? No. Oh, he's killing it. Oh, you got it in your hand. That'll have to do.
Oh, never mind basketball. We got soccer.
It's
here.
soccer today. Did you get it? You getting it? Oh, he's getting it.
Get the ball. Get the ball.
Can you get a goal?
Can you put it in? Can you get it in there? So you know, I'm gonna beat up the goal.
No, I can beat up the goal though. Yeah. You.
Oops, sorry. He's over there.
No.
It's rude. Buddy.
He's got other things on his mind. I'll take that.
I'll take that. Yeah. Ball. Ball in.
No.
Pistache.
Only pistache.
Well, we played soccer.
Mm-hmm.